Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So this is a winner unboxing. Sorry for the noise. It's kind of fun to make it completely. Sorry for the noise. Too noisy. I think I can just go ahead and cut it open from here. Wow, that's quite a good packaging. Here, just curious. Ta-da! Step into conscious comfort, stylish, sustainable, Vivaia. Vivaia. Okay. And I almost got my life supply of this brand of shoes, and I only wear it now. And I used to shop in, if I go out to Target, to Walmart, to any store, I will look at shoes. Now I do not look at shoes because from time to time they have a new design coming out. And this one, let's take a look, made from recycled material. Thank you for helping our ocean. Oh. Okay, this is it. So this one is a special fabric. Is hemp, HEMP, and it's woven from the natural leaf fiber. So see, this is the made with hemp, and it's ooh, look at it. It's anti-odor, anti-bacterial. So when you wear this, you do not need to take vaccine. Okay, I'm kidding. When you wear it, it 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 controls or do not allow bacteria growing from it. Look at it. So this is one, and that lady worked in this company, asked me if you wanted. Oh, you can see this is recycled, can you? Asked me if I am interested. Well, this is a kindness without, from my side, do not have any obligation. So I said yes, and that is it. And I always wear this kind of shoes now, and I like it pointed, pointed tip. It looks quite stylish, elegant. It looks quite stylish. This is it, made from hemp, and you can wash it. Take this one out to wash, or completely wash, and so comfortable. The other one I have wore it for 1 year, more than 1 year. It becomes part of my food. Almost you can see the toes shape on that one. It's very, very comfortable. At the beginning, it's a little teeny tiny little bit tight, but this is woven, and it kind of elastic. It's not very, very elastic. It's just not so hard like leather or other things. So when you buy it, you get a tiny bit small one, and as you wear it, it becomes more loose, and eventually you will wear it more comfortable. That's what I get, and I like it. So this is one. Now we take a look at the other one. I think this one is the darker color one, and this one is, ooh, look at it, the lighter color one. This color is, oh, wow. They make the weaving with a little bit of texture, and the shape is all the same. These are Aria 5. They are all the same shape, and the bottom is the same, and I like it. And just yesterday, one friend mentioned, Haiying, you should do shoe of the day instead of outfit of the day, shoe of the day, SOTD. So tomorrow I will think about some clothes to match with it. So this is Vivaia, and yeah, I will put the link and the description of the video. I remember the other day I went to Westfield or a shopping mall, and the lady saw this kind of shoes. I only wear this kind of shoes, and she said, "Wow, is this the brand Vivaia?" I said, "Yes." How did you know this? They know it. Anyway, let me try it. Oh, that's very comfortable. A little bit tight on the toe part. and I think it will take some time to wear it a little bit, and then it becomes more loosen up, and if you wear it already comfortable, with time it will become too loose, too loose or truc. It will become too loose, and not so comfortable. This is just right at the very beginning, when you wear it a little bit tight, and then eventually gets to the right. I travel, do not wear tennis shoes, do not wear shoestring shoes, or these kind of shoes, because it's light. It's much lighter, and it's very comfortable, easy to walk. Let's try this one. The same thing, a little bit tight at the beginning. I like it. I like it. Okay, almost the same color, and this is hemp. Interesting. I enjoy it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Look at the shape. It's quite an elegant design. Pretty good. Bye bye. I have 1, 2, 3 pairs of the same style, almost the same color. How do I finish them? I can cook them. 煮着把它吃了，你得煮了。拜拜。